Okay, next. That was OJ. Perfect.
I feel like I came overdressed.
You're pretty.
Yeah, but I'm so overdressed.
Are you comfortable? Yes.
We're getting a picture taken. Go look up there.
Who's taking the picture?
Somebody. Over there in the poncho or the umbrella, they're taking pictures for the school yearbook photo. Ah. Well, smile.
They took the back of my head.
Nice. Look good for the pictures. It's starting to be cold
You feeling cold?
in my arms.
Mm-hmm. You look like you got chicken skin on your arms. Wish that is focused.
You're more focused than I am.
The neither one of us is. Did it stop raining?
Just a little. It rains less now.
Should have brought our own village to make all the noise.
Have all the MOYO'S in the middle.